Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to discuss whether the microwave radiation is dangerous or not. The electromagnetic spectrum is full range of electromagnetic radiation organized by frequency or the wavelength and transmitted in waves or particles at different wavelengths and frequencies. The spectrum is generally divided into 7 regions in order of decreasing wavelengths and increasing energy and frequency. The common designations are radio waves, microwaves, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, and gamma rays. Now, according to the Encyclopedia Britannica, the microwaves have frequencies ranging from about 1 billion cycles per second or 1 gigahertz up to about 300 gigahertz, and the wavelengths of 30 centimeter 12 inches to 1 millimeter or 0.04 inches. One of the most common uses of microwaves is to heat food quickly. This is only possible because microwaves can be used to transmit thermal energy. Like thermal energy is the internal energy of an object due to the random movements and vibration of its atoms and molecules. For example, boiling the water where the heating element transfers the energy to the water, causing the molecules to move rapidly. In a microwave, food gets cooked by injecting electromagnetic waves that are invisible to the human eye. There is a device within the microwave called a magnetron, which channels electrical energy from power outlet to a heated filament. This creates the flow of electrons that in turn transmit by bouncing around the chamber and cooking the food through radiation heat. The waves penetrate the food and make the molecules vibrate, which in turn generates the heat. Although it is a simplified explanation, in reality, the magnetron is much more complex mechanism that consists of smaller parts like anode, cathode, and magnet, which generate a magnetic field. It hopefully gives a basic idea of how microwave heat.
Microwave astronomy involves looking at high-energy radio waves. Microwaves are useful as they allow us to look at what the universe was like right at its birth. As microwaves are hard to observe from the ground, space-based telescopes are used. There have been several probes launched to map the entire sky in the microwave band, which each probe has progressively better resolution. It is most common for microwave observatories to examine the cosmic microwave background, CMB, which is the radiation left over from when the universe was first created. The cosmic microwave background, electromagnetic radiation filling the universe that is a residual effect of the Big Bang 13.8 billion years ago. Because the expanding universe has cooled since this primordial explosion, the background radiation is in the microwave region of the electromagnetic spectrum. The result from the most recent space-borne microwave telescope, the Wilkinson Microwave Anisotropy Probe, WMAP, has helped to accurately determine the age of the universe within 1% accuracy, which is 13.8 billion years. And gave an idea of what the universe looked like less than 400,000 years after the Big Bang. The image also depicts the temperature of the gases shortly after the Big Bang. The variations in color are overdensities which became the building blocks of the galaxies, stars, and planets we see today.
Now, let's see whether microwave radiation is dangerous. Radiation can be found all around us in varying amounts. We are always being exposed to natural background radiation like the sun's energy and household electrical appliances, mobiles to radioactive gases are given off from the earth to radioactive substances in the soil. When we are cooking in microwave, the electromagnetic energy penetrates the food. This causes water molecules in the food to rotate. The rotation causes friction between molecules, resulting in a rapid rise in temperature. This is why the cooking time with microwave oven is much shorter than with conventional oven. Some microwave energy may leak from oven while using it, but this would pose no known health risks if the oven is properly maintained. Microwaves use a safe type of non-ionizing radiation. The only non-ionizing radiation which causes cancer is the ultraviolet light. UV radiation has more energy than radiation from microwaves. In conclusion, microwaves don't make food radioactive, they just heat them. Scientifically, it has never been proven that microwaves cause any harm through the foods we cook. Therefore, we should not be concerned about heating or reheating food as long as we follow the instructions of the use that came with your microwave. These include standing away from it while cooking, closing its door properly before hitting the start, and replacing old and broken microwaves which may be leaking more radiation than we want externally. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share if you liked the video and give us a thumbs up. See you in my next video.